started this about 1 o'clock yesterday. And we started backfilling, compacting this morning. It's now 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we should have a massive chunk of this done today. And yeah, we'll be finishing it tomorrow. Not too bad. 2 days to do a 800 square foot driveway. Alright, pitter patter. Better view of that bucket there. Loving this machine. That's awesome. I put that pallet on there, thought I was recording. I was talking to the camera, or myself, I guess. And yeah, I was about to put this one up there and said, you know, it's coffee break. I'll put one back up, this one up there, once that's all laid, because that's screeded already. Anyways, time for a spot of tea. See you in a bit. What do we have here? We're at the pit. So put paper towel down there. I wonder what the hell's going on here. Oh, the frame looks a little wet. Where is it wet? Oh, there's a brake line missing. My goodness. Joys of owning a business. We will get her fixed lickety split. Simple, simple repair. Alright, I'm gonna get some Teflon on this sucker and we're gonna put the new one in.
Little rust spots along the line there. There's a danger zone right here.
Yeah, there's one little spot there. There's a few lines that need to be changed. Was the plan to do it in the next couple weeks. Curl that a little wee bit more. There we go. Hey, it's a good thing I carry these extra little tools in the trucks.
Yeah. Handy.
Oh, get on there. Get what you want. Alright. So I got the adjustable. That's right, I carry that in the truck, and this wrench I also carry in the truck too, because it fits the brake lines. Just in case of things like this happen. You know? I'm just gonna get this a little bit snug, and then we will do what we gotta do to get the other side on.
Put a bend in it and shorten it up a bit.
Oh yeah, because they don't have the 36-inch line. We had to get a 40, and I don't have line kit at the shop, so almost should have ran it through there and bent it, but don't like that. I'm gonna bend this thing a little more. Well, I gained us a couple inches. That's what she said. Call this the custom bending job. Of course, we will fix this so it's mounted the way it's supposed to be. Get my little plug out of there. Oops. Can you see where we are down here? No, I can't. What do we got cooking there? Oh, it's hard to see with the sun. All right, there we go. Yeah. So. Get this side, some thread lock on it. Not that you really need it for this, but I'm retarded like that. I'm gonna stop. Look at that, it just turned. Wham bam, thank you. Ma'am? We call this a custom bend job. That's what she said. Wrench. Get this tightened up. Yeah, we'll make sure that's down because we don't want to crush that. Don't want to crush that when we let the box down here. Yeah, we have our safety in place for the box. We don't have a safety in place. Our safety right now is a 3-stage ram. I think we'll be good. I'm gonna knock on wood here.
3 stages.
You want to hold that line there, Shane, to make sure it doesn't decide to. There we go.
On you.
That's right. I gotta tighten this up a little bit more. All right, that one hit the end. Come back off, throwing Teflon tape around. Oh yeah, I gotta tighten that side up. That's why. I left it loose so I could get that side on. That was the problematic side. Get this all tightened up. Then we can start bleeding back brakes. Needs to be tight. That's what he said. Bam, bam. Thank you, sir. Alright, so we'll grab my Teflon. Oh, because I dropped it down here and we don't want to do that. Alright, my lovely temporary pig mats. That's all I had in the truck. But we soaked pretty much all of it up. Did you want to grab that roll of paper towel that shop towels that I brought? Oh wow. Goody. Yeah, I need to zip tie this back up. That's for sure. That's professional brake line installation. Those shocks I got to replace too. They don't need to be done, but they are getting very close to needing to be done. Alright, so we filled up the master cylinder. Now I need to find the right size wrench for the calipers down here. Don't want to lose this. I'm going to throw that right in here. Oh yeah, bud. So caliper is way down there. That's the bleeder right there. We'll find the proper size wrench. It's a 99, so it's probably standard. Push it down. Push it down. Oh yeah, no more air in that. Perfect. There we go. Good. You shut it off. I'm covered in brake fluid. I gotta shut the camera off so I can. We got pressure at the pedal.
We got pressure.
Thanks.
Under pressure.
So you can see the line we had to change here. Oh my goodness. So we had to change this one out. Obviously it's just got a temporary bend in it. We're going to do it properly because really it should be secured in this little doohickey. That way it's not bouncing around all over the place. But tomorrow, which is Saturday, Shane, John and I are going to be changing this one out because that one is going to be next to go. It's in rough shape. Goes all the way up to there, and then we're going to change the other one out. Everything in the front was already done 5 years ago, but the back end has not been done. So all we got to do the back end though is where is that sucker? Yeah, it's right here. Comes up, runs right there, and then goes off out to the front. I have to get under there to show you, but you'll see that. That's the next video we're gonna do. Replacing the brake lines in this. Quick little fix. Oh, check out that. They're moving one of their crushers.
That's a big unit.
You should see what they have in the pit. Oh yeah. They have some big toys here, man, let me tell you. Yeah, it's good enough to make it back to the yard, which is pretty much all we're doing. I am going to float our little skid steer. Our new skid steer. Oh crap, I got to get under there. It's all over the tire too on that side. It's sprayed all over. But anyways.
It's good for the tires.
Yeah, we're going to head on out of here and we'll show you our next little project. There we go. Not bad for 2 days work. Excavation and installation. The guys got the topsoil down. I got grass seed on the passenger floor of the dump truck, I think, or did I put it in that truck?
I think it's in this truck.
Yeah, if you want to grab it and spread some seed, I'm going to load this bugger up. Yeah, so all I got to do is put some grass seed, and this thing a beauty. She's off to her next adventure. Honestly, I am in love with this machine. It is an awesome machine so far. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Anyways, I'm going to get this loaded up. Shane's going to spread the grass seed on the topsoil. And I'm going to get this thing floated off to its next project. And then we'll, I don't know how that came from. Awesome. All right, yeah, get this thing floated off to its next job, and then yeah, that's me in this video. It's Friday. You guys take care. I'll catch you on the next one.